welcome to Montego Bay. Local time is approximately 1:03. Please remain in your seat until the aircraft completely stops at the gate. The fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please use caution if you open overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may fall. If you need assistance with ground transportation, baggage claim, or connecting flight information, Delta representatives meeting this flight will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Delta, and we hope in the future if your plans call for air